Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Risa y Paz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. This time around, I am going to be getting my hair straightened. I'm going to get a silk press. I'm going to a beautician, and yes, I am so nervous because I have not gone to a beautician in years. I have my hair in this wash and go because I just want to capture what the curls are looking like beforehand, so that, you know, when I come back and wash my hair out of this flat iron, I'm going to see, hopefully, all of these curls will be back. So that's what we're hoping for. Let's see if I made it to my goal, waist length hair, by the end of this year. Honestly, if I'm honest, I don't think that I made my goal. I'm kind of sure that I didn't make my goal. And I'll give you guys a picture of like what it looks like when it's stretched out before she trims it. But I'm definitely going to go ahead and let her trim my hair nicely so that I can make sure I'm growing long, healthy hair. You know, it's not. Alright y'all, thankfully I was able to record most of this process. The stylist was super open to answer all of my questions and was very patient with me. So to cleanse and condition, she used Design Essentials Professional line. We did a clarifying shampoo and a deep treatment, a deep hydrating treatment. I sat under the steamer for 20 minutes and y'all, look at how soft and supple my hair looked. Woo! This was my first ever steam treatment. I absolutely loved it. Look at that shrinkage. Yes, curls. Like, I know my hair is so moisturized because this shrinkage is real. For the blow drying process, she was super gentle. I told her hands felt like feathers, like when she was combing through my hair, which I was very happy about. At first she was using that damming brush, but you see she had to get the big paddle brush because my hair, my fine strands of hair was just getting nice and tangled. So during the flat ironing process, I liked that she only had to do one pass, and she used pretty small sections to ensure a silky smooth finish where she didn't have to go over it multiple times. Of course, I'm going to get it curled in the end. So here is the part. It has been at least 2 years since I've gotten a real cut, so I knew I wanted to get all of my dead ends removed. She showed me where she was going to cut at before actually cutting, so I understood. I knew I was going to come in and get a really nice cut. One lesson I learned is how important it is to get trims regularly. And for the last 2 years, I've just been dusting my hair when I had twist outs, thinking that that was enough. But it's clear that that wasn't enough. And obviously, as you can see, I didn't make it to my waist length mark. One thing that I told the stylist was that I was trying to grow out my layers, and so she let me know that she would trim only what was needed but try not to pronounce like the layers when she's cutting vertically. So that's what you see here, and I was really satisfied to see like she only cut off what was necessary and not really reinforcing the layers that I already had in my hair. Y'all, look at these results. Overall, I was super satisfied with my experience with Miss Joy and Beauty. Check her out on Instagram, you guys, if you're in the St. Louis area. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all next time.